Let's learn the names of the notes you will find on any piano or keyboard. If you look at the keys on the piano from left to right, you will notice a repeating pattern of 2 black keys followed by 3 black keys. Let's look at the 2 black keys to be a doghouse and the 3 black keys to be grandma's house. So, between the 2 black keys, that is the doghouse, we have 1 white key, and that is a D, which represents the dog inside the doghouse. The dog has 2 friends, represented by the 2 white keys on either side of the D. On the left, we have a cat, which is a C. And on the right, we have an elephant, which is an E. So, now we know that these keys are the C, D, and E. Now, for the set of 3 black keys, that is Grandma's house. We are visiting Grandma for some apple pie. So the keys on either side are represented by F, which is the front door to the house, and B, which is the back door. When you enter Grandma's house through the front door, we say hi to Grandma, which is a G, and have a bite of apple pie, which is an A, and then go out from the back door, which represents a B. So now we have identified these notes as F, G, A, and B. Pretty cool trick, right? The black keys are represented by sharps and flats. You will notice that a black key will always have a white key on either side. So when we move to the left, we get a flat. For example, if we look at the D, the black key to the left is a D flat. And when we move up, we get a sharp. So when the black key is moving to the right, we get a D sharp. Using this method, we can figure out the rest of the black keys by applying the same principle. But there are 2 exceptions here. You will notice that there is no black key on the left of a C and the left of an F. This is because in Western music, the notes C and F don't have any flats. The notes B and E don't have any sharps, as there is no black key on the right side. Hope you guys enjoyed that video and have understood how to identify the notes on the piano.